I lived a couple years without a teardrop. Look, I don't wanna die for love, like it was me a cop, I keep me safe. But you made me wanna risk it all. And I get a little sad when you miss my calls. That's childish, I never act like this because I can't be catching feelings cause there's so much other shit involved. Like how my niggas will react if I waved you. You said my fans won't accept you, so I